question number 5. For the circuit shown below, the power dissipated as heat by the 4 ohm resistor is 4 watt. So what is the value of resistance of resistor R in the circuit here, and what is the current passing through resistor R, and how much time will it take for 75 joules of energy to be dissipated from resistor R as well. Okay, so firstly, what I would suggest you to do is to simplify the circuit dulu lah. Okay, so let's try and simplify them. So this is gonna be 4 ohm punya, then this one here after we simplify there lah. Okay, so this one is the battery. Okay, gitu okay, so I'll label this as R1, R is that one, and this is R2. Okay, so this is gonna be R row begitulah. Okay, R apostrophe, so this is gonna be R1. Okay, so remember, given is the power of R1 to be equal to 4 watt. Okay, and from here we can actually calculate the value of current. Okay, so current is equal to sorry, okay, siapa? So power is equal to I square R. Remember, so we apply this for resistor 1, so this is going to be equal to 4 I square, R is equal to 4 ohm, so the current would be equal to 1 ampere. Okay, so from here we can then calculate the effective resistance. Remember, so we can use V equal to IR, or the total resistance. Okay, total resistance. So from here, this is equal to 10, this is equal to 1. So basically the total resistance is equal to 10 ohm. Okay, so after we get the total effective resistance, we can then find the value of R by using the formula of effective resistance lah. Okay, which is equal to this one is for series circuit. Okay, so series circuit, remember, it is just the addition of those two resistors. Okay, so REFF is equal to R1 plus dengan R row. Okay, R apostrophe is a parallel circuit, so this is gonna be equal to 1 over R plus 1 over R2 -1. Okay, so dari sini Miss akan terus put down the number lah, write down the number. So 4 plus 1 over R plus dengan 1 over 8 -1. So this one's gonna be equal to 10, so you should then get the value of R to be equal to 24 ohm. Okay, so hopefully you can get what I'm trying to do here. So first you have to find the current. So why do we have to find the current? Is because we have to know the total effective resistance dulu. Why? Because we can then simplify them and then just calculate the value of R from the equation, from these two equations here lah. Okay, right, so that is question A. Okay, question B pula. This will cari the current passing through this resistor here, which is equal to 24 ohm. Okay, so this is again R1, this is R2, that is just R lah. Okay, remember for series circuit, the current will be equal. Okay, so current is gonna be equal. Okay, so this one is, I'm gonna draw it again, so it should be something like that. Wala to. And then we have this. Okay. Okay, so this is the circuit. So this is, I'll label this as R1. This is gonna be R apostrophe. Okay, so the current should be the same, which is equal to 1 ampere. Okay, so we have the current value. So the voltage pula, total voltage is equal to VR1 plus I'll label this as V1 plus dengan VR apostrophe. Okay, so firstly we are going to try to find the voltage across resistor 1. Okay, so V1 is equal to IR1. Okay, so this is 1, this is 4, so it is equal to 4 volt. Okay, so from here kita substitute dalam this equation. So total voltage is 10 volt, so this is V total equal to V1 plus VR apostrophe. So this is 10, this is equal to 4 plus VR apostrophe. So this is 10 minus 4, which is equal to 6 volt lah. Okay, so dari sini we can then calculate the current passing through here, because for parallel circuit, remember for parallel circuit, the voltage VR this should be equal to VR equal to V2. Okay, boleh, this should be equal, they will have the same voltage. This is gonna be just V lah. Okay, VR lah. This is gonna be VR apostrophe, this is VR apostrophe. Okay, they are equal, which is equal to 6 volt lah. Right, so from here we can just calculate lah. I is equal to VR over dengan the resistor. Okay, so this is equal to 6 berapa tadi? 24 divided by 6 divided by 24 lah. Okay, so 6 divided by 24 should be equal to 0.25 ampere. Okay, so that is the current value untuk the value of the current untuk this resistor lah. Okay, boleh faham ah? Okay, next we are asked to calculate how much time will it take untuk 75 joules of energy to be dissipated from resistor R. So we are going to use the equation of E equal to VIT lah. Okay, so the V that we will be using is, sebab dia tanya untuk resistor R saja, so we are going to use this voltage lah, which is equal to 6, and the current also is for the resistor R, so 0.25, and time is the one that we are looking for. So T is equal to 50 seconds. So E is 75 joule lah, based on the question. Alright, so that is the solution for question number 5.